Okay, my Amazon order is here. My groceries are soaking wet. All right. Pardon the mess. Foil there. Let's see. Avocado. That's for the juicer. These are my eggs for my egg whites. Now for some cheating. What else is in here? Those are for my smoothies. And there's my strawberries. All right. Distilled water. Okay, I think that's it. Hey, I ordered 2 of these. It's about the size of my thumb. All right, my index finger. Oh well. It has not been easy keeping up my fitness routine, and I struggle with emotional eating because I've been through a lot of trauma, very deeply rooted trauma, and I'm on a mission to do a lot of self-care. I'm on a mission to eat right and to exercise and to deal with the PTSD and, you know, the anxiety that I have suffered since I was 13 years old. And being, well, I'm on the cusp of Gen X and Boomer. I don't feel like a Boomer. I'm right on the cusp, so I'll just say being a Gen Xer, wow, I'm a grandmother now, and exercising really helps me to, you know, play with him and to get on the floor and paint and, you know, play balloons and do painting and just running around with him. So I have lots of reasons for, you know, fighting to stay fit as I can. And I also have limitations. I mean, the arthritis that I have, my doctor told me that, you know, I could just expect to, you know, there was no hope, but surprise.